Hello guys, today we're gonna talk about MapTrim. It's some commands that just trim a special and some area. We can trim anything in this area by boundary, like if we make a circle boundary in any place right here. We can trim all surrounding entities. We're gonna trim surrounding entities right here. The first thing we need to type MapTrim. Then we're gonna ask to choose the boundary. This is the boundary. Then you have two choices right here. Either you're gonna trim all things outside of the circle, or you can just trim whatever you select. So we have three things here. I wanted to trim just this part. I'm gonna select this part, enter. Then we have two options. I want to trim outside boundary, so okay. See, so we have trimmed all entities outside of the circles just for this part. Other part is skipped because we didn't choose it. Another example, we're gonna make like rectangle boundary. I'm gonna choose it from here. I wanna be this to be kept. All other entity, it's gonna be trimmed. So map trim, then select boundary, enter. I'm gonna select manually. I want this stuff to be trimmed, enter. Then last one, trim outside boundary, okay. See, everything has been trimmed in this boundary. The third one, I'm gonna trim this one and I'm gonna choose automatically. It's not gonna be like defined area. I'm gonna choose this area and I'm gonna trim whatever outside this rectangle. Doesn't matter where is it. It's gonna trim all stuff here because I'm gonna choose another options. Map trim, select boundary. I'm gonna choose this boundary, polyline. Here I'm gonna choose select automatically. In this case, it doesn't matter where is it in the drawing. Everything's outside of this rectangle is gonna be trimmed. Okay, so it's gonna be trimmed outside of boundary. Okay, then okay. See, everything's outside of this rectangle is just trimmed. You have this rectangle. Okay,